We'll guide you through how to use the tracker in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Navigate to the color page by clicking the color tab at the bottom. Here, you'll see the timeline of your project. Click on a clip you want to track. Now, in the node window, create a new corrector node if you don't already have one. Then, go to the window panel, which you can find on the lower left. Select a shape that fits your object best, like the circle or polygon. Adjust the shape to cover the object you want to track. This is important as it sets the boundaries for the tracker. Next, go to the tracker panel, which is right next to the window panel. You'll see options for tracking in different directions. Click the forward arrow to track the motion of the object throughout the clip. DaVinci Resolve will automatically follow the motion and adjust the shape accordingly. If the track isn't perfect, you can manually adjust the shape frame by frame. Just click the keyframe diamond to lock any changes. Once the tracking is done, you can apply effects to the tracked object without affecting the rest of the clip. This is perfect for color grading or adding blur to a moving object. Remember, if there's a lot of movement, you might need to adjust the track manually. Having a good shape and tracking point is crucial for precise tracking. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.